you just reach a time in your life where you're just tired of waiting on yourself. Like I've been saying, dye your hair, dye your hair, dye your hair, dye your hair. And I've been finding every reason not to, any lame excuse. And today's the day, okay? I need something new. This isn't giving. It's just dry, but it's not. It's like summer. I'm about to be 35, June 10th. And I just get tired. You just get tired of waiting on yourself. I hope you get tired of waiting on yourself. Like, we're running out of time. Scared shitless. But here we are. I really want to know what it's like to have light roots. I've never had that, and I want that. Let's do it. So this is the kit that I'm using. When you're free, conditioner. I'm nervous as shit, bitch. I can't even lie. I ain't gonna hold you. Changing already. My hair is light already. Be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. Hasn't even been in for like 10 minutes yet. I might stop at light brown. I'm scared. I can't lie, y'all. I'm scared because why is my hair light already? Oh my God. I don't know if they be using a specific kind of oil, but I'm about to use oil out of my kitchen. I don't know the science behind it. I'll look it up when I'm done. I don't know. I'm excited. I'm just proud of myself that I actually just did it. Like, this is really light. This is getting really light, you guys. My hair is light already. All right, I'm getting scared. I'm gonna leave it on. I don't even know if I want it covered. I want to see. Oh, it's light. I don't know what I'm doing right now because, like, now I'm all nervous. But this is what you wanted, ho. This is what you wanted. This is what you wanted, ho. This is what you wanted, ho. I didn't expect it to do the damn thing that fast. So I'm gonna let 10 minutes go by and we'll see what it's doing 10 minutes from now. My hair is already brown. Okay, we'll be back. Keep looking at my hair and this is the color that we have. It's been 20 minutes. The box says to leave it in for 30 minutes for the platinum blonde look. I don't think I want the platinum blonde look. I want a honey brown. I need that to work real quick because I think I wanna rinse it out now. I like this color that I have. Wow. I like it. I gotta rinse it out because I really like it. My whole scalp this fucking color. Excuse my language. This is who I am. It's not. Let me be. That's an ignorant statement. I just get excited. How about that? Ooh, I like my. That's what I wanted. It was one of those things that you never had it, so you have to try it. Yeah, it's life. You don't know what you like till you do it. My son used up all my good, not my good creamer, my favorite creamer. So I'm stuck with his hazelnut mocha, which pretty much tastes like chocolate milk. I'm not here for that. It's all right. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna go rinse this out. I'm gonna take my robe off because it's soaked. Oh, this is the color that I wanted, you guys. Oh, I got a bra on. Oh. Girl. I know some people are like, girl, oh my God. And I'm like, oh my God. So I'm looking for a long, See, the hair is working already, girl. I'm applying oil custard to my hair. My hair loves Mail, am I saying it right? Products. You gotta do what works for you. I know my hair, I just gotta work it in, work it in, work it in. And while it's saturated, it's the same concept of when your natural hair is just not locked. It's Same concept. So I'm doing this. What I'm looking for is this cute kit that I got from Amazon. Here it is. It's only like $6.99, but these are the clips that we use to retwist our hair. I like this kit. They're gold. Like my hair. I'm so happy. I'm bright. I just wanted to be bright.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please.